what we're focused on is building the tooling and the capabilities through something we call AI governance into those general purpose AI systems. So one of the things, for example, that we have as a capability in some of our products is something called a fact sheet. And the fact sheet is basically collecting as you go in the system and automating this across the development and deployment process so that you're essentially automatically gathering from those training and developing the system what data is being used. You're creating a log of it, the tests that are being conducted, the output, and you can generate at any particular point in time a set of facts that is captured automatically, but that's reflective of the model development lifecycle in the fact sheet. So it will also capture things like bias and privacy measurements. The idea of something like this will help reduce the human burden, right? That's often involved with logging this stuff manually. So the goal is ultimately to produce something that will be able to provide transparency across the life cycle and will be tailored and context specific to whatever audience, so that somebody who is the data scientist who's involved initially in setting up the system and training it and ultimately deploying it will get a different fact sheet, a different tailored fact sheet with a different level of detail and different explanations and the like. Then say it's in the context of a loan application, for example, that helps support decisions in the loan environment. The loan officer would get a different explanation, a different fact sheet than the person who actually created it, the data scientist who created it. So that's the design point. And that's sort of how we're thinking about it here at IBM through this broader concept of AI governance.